Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of how a plant-based diet can do wonders for your digestion and overall health. So, let's get started! If you've been struggling with digestive issues, switching to a plant-based diet might be the answer. It can help with digestion and improve your overall well-being. A plant-based diet focuses on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, providing nutrients that support a healthy gut. Poor eating habits lead to digestive issues like bloating and gas. Switching to a plant-based diet can alleviate these problems and promote better digestion. Plant-based foods are rich in fiber, which keeps things moving smoothly and packed with antioxidants and nutrients that support a healthy gut microbiome, reducing inflammation and promoting a happier tummy. Now, here comes the exciting part. Let's delve into some studies and personal stories that highlight the incredible impact of a plant-based diet on digestive health. Whether it's reduced bloating, improved regularity, or better nutrient absorption, the benefits speak for themselves.
I used to struggle with constant bloating and discomfort. Since switching to a plant-based diet, I've felt so much lighter and my digestion has significantly improved.
After going plant-based, my regularity improved dramatically. I no longer feel sluggish and my energy levels have soared.
In conclusion, a plant-based diet enhances digestion and overall well-being by fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods, giving your gut the care it deserves. So, here's your call to action. Why not give it a try? Start incorporating more plant-based foods into your meals and see how your digestion responds. And don't forget to share your experiences with us in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to better digestive health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. For more information and recipes to start your new healthier life, check out the link in the description below.